So we are going to make some Chickenjoy Jollibee chicken. Mamuntag mga best mga bay. Karong adlaw nami diri sa balay ni Ma'am Joey diri sa Brisbane, Australia. Og sige ulan diri sa Australia karon.
It's been like a week.
Karon panahon. So we are going to make some Chickenjoy Jollibee chicken. Featuring Kyrie.
Hello, my boy.
So he's got a massive Doberman and he thinks that he's a lapdog.
Kyrie. Mess with me. Okay.
Alright, as I was saying, shout out to Quang Tran.
You were not saying that.
Huh?
You didn't start that.
Alright, so shout out to Quang Tran, aka a YouTuber. This is where I got the recipe for the Chickenjoy. So I'm not sure if this is the real recipe for Jollibee's chicken.
Side note, we just realized today that Chickenjoy is chick-enjoy.
Yeah,
Like,
chicken,
enjoy?
like enjoy the chicken, not just like chicken happiness, like Chickenjoy. Mind blowing.
Woo.
So the plan is we're gonna go to the Filipino market because there's heaps of Filipinos here in Australia, so they have Filipino stores, which is nice. We're gonna grab the ingredients and we'll teach y'all how to make chicken joy.
First, we're gonna teach ourselves.
Educate ourselves, and hopefully that it matches up at least like half as good as Chickenjoy.
Yeah, I'll be stuck.
Hopefully it's just edible. That'd be nice.
Yeah.
Otherwise, magutom lang kami. All right, so let's go.
Why?
Here's Ma'am Joey in high school.
Leave me alone.
Young Ma'am Joey. Younger Ma'am Joey. Focus, nice. Where? In Kyrie, when he graduated. It's too dark. Quick house tour. This is where Ma'am Joey. This is where Ma'am Joey grew up. When she was 4 years old, she moved here to Australia. She was birthed on that couch.
I was not.
Nice little kitchen. This is where we will be cooking some Chickenjoy. And that's their outside. So we're here at the Asian market, Lily's Asian market. All the Filipino markets were closed today, at least the one near us. So it's not gonna be the real authentic Filipino
There might be Filipinos in here.
stuff. Yeah, who knows? So we figured that the Asian market will have the ingredients that we need. Huh?
This is where my mom goes.
Really?
It's close.
All right, so hopefully they have all the stuff we need. Once we get back to Zoe's house, we will tell you the ingredients that you need in order to cook Jollibee's Chickenjoy. But for now, we're gonna get all the ingredients here at the Asian market. Alright, so we're back in the house. We got most of our ingredients from the normal grocery store, not the Asian market, because the Asian market did not have everything that we needed.
Like chicken.
Chicken.
Also, like the ingredients aren't Asian.
Asian, yeah.
They're not like specifically Asian.
So you can buy these ingredients at any local grocery store, especially if you're not in the Philippines, you can find them. If you're in the Philippines, you definitely can probably find it because it's from Jollibee. Hey buddy, sige. So let's get it cooking. Sige, so una sa tanan, una sa lahat, first things first, we're gonna marinate the chicken with the seasoning. So we got a whole bunch of chicken for $2. It was on sale. $2 Australian, that's like $1.50. 68 pesos. All right, let's rip this bad boy open.
Why don't we just use this
Zoe's trying to cheat. Get that corn out of my face. All right, oh. Time for some real Chickenjoy. All right, I'm gonna open this up with one hand. Harder than it looks.
I got it. That's okay. I hate touching meat. Oh, I hate touching meat.
We putting in this one?
I think so. Yeah, so
Alright.
this one's one. I also don't like drumsticks, which is a shame.
All right, so we're gonna do 10 pieces of chicken, slap it in there. So these measurements and these ingredients were from that YouTuber, so I'm not sure if this is the correct,
I wonder if this is salt.
but we're gonna see how it tastes. Half
So-
tablespoon of salt.
How do you... Oh, you gotta rub it in.
You gotta finesse.
Well, I'm not gonna
Just,
You just put all of it on one.
yeah, mix it around. We're gonna massage it later. Hilot.
What's he look?
Massage.
Massage.
What are you doing to that chicken?
White pepper. Shame it's in big chunks. Reckon we could just squish it?
You're supposed to grind it. That was beast.
Okay,
Now that is pepper.
What's the difference between white and black pepper?
Puti o itom. So okay, so we're gonna just use some black pepper because we cannot.
I don't know how to crack it. I don't have a mortar and pestle. Mortar, whatever it's called. Okay, I don't like pepper that much, so we're not gonna go for a full half.
Alright, just get in there, rub it around.
You're right in there.
Make sure the marinating's on every piece of chicken. Charot mora kabalo ko magluto. Di ko kabalo.
Yeah, you have no idea.
Fake it till you make it, guys. Sige, Monisha, para sa seasoning flour. This is for the seasoning flour, 2 cups.
Of flour.
Alright, 1 cup of rice flour. Boom. 1 tablespoon of salt. Usa ka tablespoon of asin.
We like it salty, so I'm gonna do a heaped tablespoon.
Alright, 1/2 tablespoon of onion powder.
We're gonna go with oh shit. Extra salty.
So they didn't have onion powder at the grocery store, so we bought onion salt.
It's the same thing. It's onion salt. Sorry, it's onion powder mixed with salt. So ours is gonna be a bit extra salty.
Next up, we got 5 spice. 1/2 tablespoon of 5 spice. Slap it in there.
I don't know what the little Bambi means.
5 spice powder. Whew. Alright, so you're gonna need a lot of vegetable oil. We have a mix of vegetable oil and omega-3,
What?
aka
Canola.
canola.
Omega-3.
So yeah, we're gonna have to heat this bad boy up for 20 minutes, I guess. So now we're gonna start on the wet batter. You need tulo ka itlog, 3 eggs. Actually suck it, crack an egg, so not too shabby. Make sure there's no shell. Oh, there's a big shell. Don't be like Kaloy, be better, as Zoe says. Mmm. That was a good one. 1 can of club soda, aka sparkling water. We bought a big one, so if you don't have a can, it's 330
Mils.
mils. You're welcome. Yeah, buddy. 1 teaspoon of asin, 1 teaspoon of salt.
Sure.
Ooh, look at that. That's sick.
Science.
Here.
Okay.
A little more, just because that was cool. And 1 cup of flour. Alright. Sige, so Monisha ang wet batter, or wet something. Alright, we'll turn the time over to Mom Joey. Alright, so we got 3 big bowls. We got the wet batter, normal flour, and the seasoning flour. Alright, so we're gonna wait for the oil to get very hot. Let's wait around 20 minutes daw. So magdula lang kami sa mga iro niya. We're gonna play with the dogs. She's gonna show off a few tricks for you.
Sit. 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 Walk. Walk. Ay, sit. Walk. Jump. Roll.
She's not trying to roll on the wet ground.
Roll.
Feeling ako na ready na ang oil. Tunggod, because it smells.
Where's the chopstick?
Sige, so magtanong sa chopstick kung na siya bubbles, ready na siya.
Oh yeah.
It's got bubbles? Oh yeah. Now we're talking. Pag may bubbles, kapalo ka, na ready na siya. Alright, so this is the order that we're gonna do. Plain flour.
Plain flour, wet
Batter.
stuff, and that.
Alright. What she meant was plain flour, wet batter, seasoned flour, oil. 15 minutes. Boom. Alright.
Yes.
Show us how it's done. What the heck was that?
You gotta rub it in.
Alright, put it around.
Oh.
And then he said, shake it off, the excess.
I just flick it.
It's one way. Alright, now put it in. Roll it around.
I got you, boo.
Shake off the excess.
It's wet. Just drip it off, I guess.
Drip off the excess. Alright,
Okay,
and then this you pack it in. Just pack it down.
Pack it.
Yeah, like
Pack
all
it.
over and like squish it. Like make sure it's thick. Thick as oatmeal, girl. What? She was shaking her butt.
His turn.
Sige. Ulitin natin. Uspo nato otro. Kuha na ko ang
Manok.
manok. Bisaya lang ta ha, Bisaya. Ihulog ang manok diri sa
Flour.
puti na balas, murag siya Boracay ba? Yan.
Tap, tap, tap.
Tap tap tap. If you're Ma'am Joey, flick 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 flick. Yan. Kunya ihulog sa murag pancake batter. Nabasa. Lood siya hikapon. Sige, sige. Ngay ihulog dire sa seasoning. Make sure to pack it in daw. Kung say pack it in sa Bisaya.
Pack it in.
Murag bastos na. Pamalikas. Pamalikas man na. Balls to the walls.
This is definitely gonna explode.
I'm scared.
Oh, well, good.
Alright.
Nice. Ew! It's not cooked.
What a Jollibee.
You just licked raw chicken.
Alright, so this is the first batch of chicken. Looking pretty lame, if I do say so myself. Next up, we're gonna cook some gravy, because we all know you gotta have gravy if you're going to Jollibee. Alright, ingredients. Hit them.
We are halving the instructions because I don't like too much gravy. So 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 tablespoon of flour, and then 1 cup of, go on,
Beef stock.
beef stock. I'm very good at food blogging.
Nice. 1/2 tablespoon of soy sauce.
That's definitely a full tablespoon. I'm gonna just put some back.
And last, 1/2 tablespoon of white pepper. Alright, so the chicken is done. Luto ng manok. Hopefully it's cooked all the way through because the first batch was not. But we're gonna test out this chicken. We're gonna see if it tastes like Chickenjoy from Jollibee. But a few things to consider during this taste test is 1, we did not have white pepper. We used black pepper.
I don't know what the difference is.
Maybe that'll make a big difference. And 2, we don't even know if this is the Chickenjoy recipe for sure. We just got it off of YouTube. But the dude had a lot of views, so maybe it's legit. You can check him out. First without a gravy.
Yeah.
Alright, here we go.
That's good.
Good chicken. Salty.
Is it?
You don't think so? Tastes pretty salty. But like, good. It's cooked. That's good. Hopefully you don't get food poisoning. Does it taste like Jollibee? Not really.
No.
Just tastes like fried chicken. You know? It's a good fried chicken recipe if you want to try it out. Like what? Oh, that is dripping. Is that a good thing?
Yeah.
It's okay.
It's not blood, so it's alright. It's just tender, juicy chicken.
No, that's pretty good tasting chicken. It doesn't taste like Jollibee. I don't know, like what is theirs? What separates them? You know?
They're never gonna tell us. It's
No.
like KFC.
It's like SpongeBob. You know, he has a secret recipe. Plankton never gets it. How's the gravy? Does it taste like gravy? I don't know if that's gravy. It's like a nice sauce.
I like it though.
Yeah.
I'm actually not a huge fan of gravy, so I prefer it.
All right, maybe we're gonna bottle it up and sell it.
I mean, I think it's just like melted butter.
It does taste like butter. Yeah. This is what it looks like. The big boy right here.
Yeah.
Oh,
For everyone.
I think it's on manual focus. Looks like fish and chips here in Australia. What would you rate it? Fried chicken alone, not like Jollibee chicken, but fried chicken. What would you rate it?
Like a 7.
That's it.
It's good, but I haven't had great fried chicken before.
Yeah. True.
Like my mum's is better. But my mum just uses the packet mix.
Yeah. This is homemade.
And
That's
also,
chicken
like when my mum cooks fried chicken, she'll marinate it for like overnight.
I think Jollibee does marinate, supposedly overnight. Also, I read from employees, what was it? They dip it in ice cold water so
Yeah.
it sticks better.
But I found it pretty sticky.
Yeah, it's stuck very well without water. Pero alam mo niyo siya,
Oh, it's good.
kasi ka nimo ang recipe na mo. Delete na mo, pero ang recipe ni Juan, alam mo man.
You might recall from the last vlog, Carson said I chew really loud.
It's also raining outside, so you can't really, it's kind of being hidden.
Oh yeah.
One of the reasons that we did this Jollibee cook-off is because there's not a single Jollibee in Queensland,
Australia.
which is ridiculous because there's so many Australians here.
What?
Or there's a lot of Australians
There's so
here,
many Australians in Australia.
but there's also a lot of Filipinos. So you would think that they would have at least one Jollibee. Australia didn't get any rain for how many months? 4 months straight.
We were in a drought. We were.
Until we got here. And then it decides to rain every single day,
Yeah.
besides our first week. Which is another reason why we're doing this, because we can't go outside and travel. Which is okay. Because we get to cook food. Way more fun.
You don't even like cooking. You hate cooking.
Ang tanalinga mo. Salamat sa pagtanaw.
Ang amping mo. Tanan!
What do you think of our Chickenjoy? Huh?
It's yummy.
No, what's the truth? What do you think?
It's yummy, but it's flaky.
It's flaky?
Yeah.
Doesn't taste like Chickenjoy?
It tastes like the Chickenjoy, but there's no gravy.
No, we have gravy.
There's too much flour.
Too much flour.
Yeah, you cannot even see the chicken legs. The handle is all flour.
Look how
Especially
big
this
that
one.
one.
Look that one there. That is really
Looks
huge.
like fish and chips, huh?
Yeah, that looks like half of my arm. But it tastes yummy.
Wow, that's all that matters.
It
What's up?
tastes better than Jollibee and KFC.
Whoa,
It's Carson's chicken.
that's right.
Chickenjoy.
It's actually not really ours, but we'll take it.